Hey everyone! Mince pies are gorgeous and are very popular at Christmas. The filling inside the pie is called mincemeat, and I'm going to share with you a really easy homemade recipe for it. Alright everyone, let's get started. We're going to start by adding the dried fruit, which is currants, sultanas, raisins and mixed peel. The spices we're using are mixed spice and cinnamon. If you don't have mixed spice, then you can use pumpkin spice. Add Muscovado sugar and butter to the saucepan. Grate in the zest of one orange and squeeze in the juice as well. This juice press is brilliant for getting juice out of citrus fruit without the pips. We also need to add the zest of a lemon and the juice of the lemon as well. Grate in a medium-sized apple. The apple I'm using is a Brandy and it's perfect for mincemeat. Give everything a good stir. There's a lot of ingredients in this saucepan, so you want to make sure you get it all mixed in well. Cook over a medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes until the butter and sugar is dissolved. Make sure to stir it often. You can see that there's still some liquid in the fruit. Don't worry, this will thicken up as it cools. Allow it to cool completely before adding the alcohol. You've got lots of options when it comes to the alcohol to add to this mincemeat. You can use brandy, port, rum, whiskey. I'm using Amaretto as I love the almond flavour in mincemeat. Spoon the mincemeat mixture into a sterilised jar. This recipe makes 370 gram jars, and that's about 3 cups. That's plenty of mincemeat to make mince pies, mincemeat scones and mincemeat ice cream. If you want to make a fab recipe for mince pies, check out my traditional mince pie recipe on this channel. Make your mince pies from scratch and enjoy with family and friends this festive season. You're going to love these. Thanks so much for watching. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!